Welcome back to Every Other Carl. I'm Carl, and today this is going to be kind of like a little workshop video. I'm going to be turning my desk into a standing desk. So I've been sitting at this desk for 2 years, and this chair and my back are just not a good match anymore. So I want a way to automatically raise and lower my desk. I was considering buying a pre-made sit-stand desk, but instead I went for this thing. This is the VIVO electric motor desk legs. So apparently, as I understand it, these are just electric legs that you can screw into the bottom of your desk. This is a pretty highly rated one on Amazon. I think it cost $179. I'll double check the price and put it here. So anyway, this is going to be a little quick video of how to make your own automated sit-stand desk and a little review of the VIVO desk legs. Let's go. I forgot I got white ones. It's pretty simple. It's just a frame and a cross beam, and it has an electric motor. Similar to an IKEA set, it comes with the tools that you need, and it comes with a whole bunch of different bolts and screws that are all organized in little bubble packs. And there's your power adapter. See how hard this is to slap together. Alright, that was honestly a very easy assembly. If you can put together IKEA furniture, you can put this together. This is the moment of truth. Everything is set up. See if it goes up. That is extremely cool. My back is going to thank me. Alright, I'll tighten this up in the morning. Maybe I'll show you with all the computers and everything on. But I'm happy with this buy. All right, here's the finished product. I've been actually using it for a couple weeks now. I cleaned up the wires a little bit. They give you a couple items to do a little wire management. There's some hooks that you put under the corners. There's some 3M zip ties that you can use. So the desk has been very sturdy. I've been standing and sitting every day, so up and down, up and down. The motor is still very quiet. You can barely hear it move. And one other thing I wanted to point out was this couple of switches, just a little tip for working from home. You know, I have my work computer over here and I have my personal computer over here, and I'm sharing monitors sometimes. So at the end of the workday, I want to switch over to my personal computer. One way that I found to do that very easily is some of these switches. This is an HDMI switcher and this is a USB switcher. So I have a bunch of USB ports here, and they're all connected into this USB switcher. So all I have to do is switch the screen right here. You just hit that button and it switches to the HDMI input from my work computer, or I hit it again and it switches to the HDMI input from my personal computer. Same deal over here. You switch the USB inputs to actually go into the work computer, and you hit it again and it'll go into the personal computer. So that makes it very easy instead of having to unplug things and plug them back in. Just a little tip. All right, so also I wanted to point out that this desktop, this piece of lumber actually came from IKEA. I bought it for, I believe it was 80 bucks. And butcher block wood, it's been very good to me, very strong. And that's about it. I'm very happy with this purchase, and my back already feels better after a couple of weeks. So that's gonna do it for this little desk build. Until next time, I'm Every Other Carl, and I'll see ya.